Hey friends, Zen Kuna here. Qigong staff time. So, we're going to start with the snake. We're going to do snake in 3 positions. So go ahead and put your staff down in front of you. Your palms are going to be facing forward. So you're going to slide one hand across your body, rotate the staff. When you pull out, push with the opposite hand. Back again to your beginning point, opposite hand now. So I slide the staff through one hand, rotate, bring it back out, and then push. Now if you keep a good firm grip on your staff, what you'll feel when you're down there is, especially once you start to get your rotation and then your push, you'll be getting right up here in what's called the wad of 3 here in your forearm, and you'll feel that begin to get more mobile and limber. Push. Push. There you go. You get the idea. So this is the down position, or the low position. We'll do a few repetitions. Make sure that you're mindful of your staff rotating in your one palm. So this hand is going to roll it, but I want to also feel that roll in the opposite hand, right? So I want to feel what I'm doing the whole time. I want to be mindful of that. Okay. Then we're going to come up into the middle position. So here's our low position. We're going to come up to a middle position right there at the solar plexus, also called the yellow court. So push it across, do the same movement, and push. You feel some different muscle fibers and myofascial sheath activity going on at this level. Last one. All right. Then we're going to take it from, we've got low, middle, going to a high position. And we're going to push it across, pull it back out. We're going to do one more thing. We're going to rotate that arm a little bit to pull the shoulder blade even farther down the back. So I'm going to demonstrate this from the side. So we come out, rotate, and pull the shoulder down. And we're going to come out, rotate, pull it back across. You'll be able to see it better here. So here's if I don't rotate, here's if I do. All right? So let's take a look at it from the back. Now watch, rotate. And rotate. So you're getting the idea on that? Starting high, push it across, pull it back and across, rotate down. Rotate. Great for the shoulders. Just think about that shoulder blade going right down into your hip pocket. One more. All right. So remember, when you're doing the snake, do all three positions: low, middle, high. And when you're doing the high one, remember to get that rotation. You do this one correctly, and you'll start finding all sorts of new developments happening in and around your shoulder joint here. Take my word for it at first, and then feel the difference as you do it for yourself.